Ever feel like you need a medical degree just to understand your cancer diagnosis? I get it, especially knowing that not all breast cancers are the same. In fact, your treatment entirely depends on what subtype you have. So, this graph is from the National Cancer Institute, and we're going to break down the most common four. The first one that I'll cover is hormone receptor positive and HER2 negative. So, this could be ER positive, which is estrogen positive, or PR positive, which is progesterone positive, or a combination of the two. Estrogen and progesterone are natural hormones in our body that help us regulate our menstrual cycle and pregnancy. So when a cancer is hormone receptor positive, it's kind of like they have little doors on the cells, and when estrogen and progesterone come by, they attach to it, and that helps it grow. So in this case, a doctor is going to use hormone blocking to help lock the estrogen and progesterone out. Next one that I want to cover is the fourth one, hormone receptor negative, but HER2 positive. HER2 is a protein that we all have in our body, and it helps cells grow. However, when you have a breast cancer that is HER2 positive, it means that it's growing uncontrollably. Think about it like the gas pedal is stuck to the floor. So we need a brake system to stop and slow that down. The one that I was diagnosed with is the third one here, hormone positive and HER2 positive. So roughly 10% of those diagnosed with breast cancer have triple positive breast cancer. And that means that estrogen, progesterone, and the HER2 protein is driving us. And so they are treating everything. The fourth one that I'll cover today is hormone negative and HER2 negative. So roughly 11% triple negative TNBC, triple negative breast cancer. This makes it really hard for the doctors to treat because they don't know what's driving it. Please know that there are other rare subtypes like lobular and inflammatory. So if you'd like more information on those, please let me know. But in the meantime, come back here next Monday. We'll be diving into another aspect of medical terminology specific around breast cancer. We'll be discussing stages, and be on the lookout for more podcast episodes at What Comes Next for a deeper dive in the near future. I hope knowing a little bit more about breast cancer subtypes will help you understand your treatment plan. But if you or anybody you know has any additional questions, please let me know, and I'd be happy to dive further with you.